Hello everyone, my name is Mike with EvolveINK, and I am someone that believes that us as tattoo collectors, or even if you just have one tattoo, we should aim to keep our tattoos looking as new and as fresh as possible. Most people, when they go and get tattoos, they get them, they heal them up, and then they won't do anything after that. They'll just have the tattoo on their body and they won't do anything to keep the tattoo looking as good as possible. Now me, on the other hand, I spend a lot of money on my tattoos. I have a lot of meaningful ones, and they're a part of my body. I try to go about on a day-to-day basis to keep my tattoos looking as perfect as possible. So yes, I do have what you would say a daily tattoo routine, and I feel like over the years I have dialed this thing in perfectly. So today I'm going to share with you my daily tattoo routine that you could go and use to make your tattoos look awesome, brand new, and just vibrant. You'll love it. Now my daily tattoo routine starts right in the morning. Now I am somebody, when I get a good night's sleep, I wake up super dehydrated. So most of the time I will either have a bottle of water next to my bed or walk straight to the kitchen and pour myself a nice tall glass of water. Not only will my mouth be extremely dry, but my skin will be as well. Now, if you're dehydrated, your skin is going to look dull, and especially if you have tattoos, if you're dehydrated, your tattoos are going to look dull as well. So when you go and you drink a lot of water and you stay hydrated, I'm telling you right now, you will see a drastic difference in the way your tattoos look when you're well hydrated. This is something so simple that I learned early on that will make your tattoos just look so much better. Just make sure you stay hydrated. Once I'm actually out of bed, I'll go straight to the bathroom and brush my teeth and do all my other normal maintenance stuff. But I am somebody that doesn't really like to take showers in the morning. I'm more of a shower nighttime taker. So what I like to do is then moisturize my skin. Now what I used to do is just use any type of body lotion or moisturizer I had laying around the house. But over the years, I have learned that there are chemicals that are in those lotions that are good for hydrating your skin, but are terrible for tattoos, and they can break down the ink pigments. So I try to use an all-natural tattoo moisturizer to moisturize my skin every single day. The perfect moisturizer that I use on a daily basis is Evolve Tattoo Balm. It is my product. We worked on this thing for so long, and it is an all-organic, all-natural tattoo moisturizer specifically formulated for tattooed skin. I'll take the Evolve Tattoo Balm and apply a thin layer of the product throughout all of my tattoos on my body. Now, the other thing that is in Evolve Tattoo Balm is that it has a natural UV protectant of an SPF 30. So if I know that I'm going out to go do some daily errands or taking my dog for a walk or whatever the case may be that's outside, I know that my tattoos are not only being moisturized, but also protected from the sun. Because if you know, the sun is the biggest tattoo killer and the biggest thing that will make your tattoos fade. But side note, all my tattoos are healed right now. If you are someone that has a newer tattoo, I wouldn't recommend using just any type of lotion. It needs to be an unscented body lotion while you're healing your tattoos. I just wanted to mention that. Now, depending on what I'm doing that day, I won't really apply any more UV protectant. Like if I'm just running some basic errands and I'm running in and out of stores and in and out of my car, I'll just use the Evolve Tattoo Balm UV protection. But if I'm doing something outside where I'm gonna be out for long periods of time in the sun and I'm not wearing any protecting clothing, I will then apply a sunscreen of an SPF 50 or above, just for that extra protection, which I keep in my car. I always keep an SPF 50 or above in my car in my glove compartment and some Evolve Tattoo Balm just in case, Now, once I get home from my errands, I immediately want to go and take a shower. So I go right into the bathroom. But before I jump in the shower, what I always like to do is to shave over all of my tattoos. And I'll do this about once a week. And I know you might be judging me right off the bat that, why is this dude shaving his tattoos? Why is he shaving his body? Well, over the years, I've learned that shaving your tattoos makes such a drastic difference on their appearance. No matter what type of body hair you have, whether it's thick, thin, light, or dark, if you have hair growing over a tattoo, it's going to make it appear much more dull and hide a lot of detail in there. So what I'll do is shave over all of my tattoos, but not with a razor. What I used to do is use a razor and some moisturizing shaving cream. I would apply it to all my tattoos and shave over them. But I just hated the fact that, you know, there was always that risk of cutting your tattoo and messing it up. Now, the skin will heal, but your tattoo, that won't come back if you cut deep enough. So what I end up doing now is right before I go into the shower, I will use just some simple clippers. I'll put them on the closest setting to my skin and just go over each one of the tattoos, and you will drastically see a difference on the way your tattoos look. They're gonna look a lot more brighter, they're gonna look a lot more detailed. And listen, all I gotta say is don't knock it till you try it. Just try it once and I guarantee you'll never stop shaving your tattoos again. Now it's time to jump in the shower. And as I'm getting older and learning more about tattoos and how to take care of them, I'm noticing that the more organic and the more natural ingredients that you put on your skin, the better. So I'll do all of my like shower stuff, wash my hair, but when it comes to washing my body, I like to use an all organic, all natural body wash. Because just like the lotions having harsh chemicals that could affect the tattoos, these body washes that we're putting on our skin can do the same thing. Again, they're great for washing your body and getting you clean, but when it comes to your skin absorbing that stuff and your tattoos being affected from it, it could break down the ink pigments. So try to find yourself an all natural body wash. And while I'm in the shower, I will do this once a week. I will go over and exfoliate all of my tattoos. Now, for you that may not know what exfoliating is, that is pretty much you scrubbing off the outermost layer of your skin. Now, it sounds bad, but those skin cells are dead, they're gray, and they could really make your tattoos look dull just by having them laying on the skin. Now, how you exfoliate is simple. All you got to do is grab either an antibacterial soap or the body wash that you're using and, you know, scrub over the tattoos. Like really kind of like using your nails, but not too rough. That will then remove all of those gray dead skin cells and allow your tattoo to show its natural beauty. And if you want to take it up another step further, they do have like exfoliating scrubs and also like tools that you can go and exfoliate your skin with. I don't do that. I just found out that, like, you know, my nails work good enough. But hey, if you want to splurge, go and grab that body scrub. And the reason why I do this once per week is due to the fact of I want to allow my skin to rejuvenate and create those new skin cells to make your skin nice and healthy. And then remember, healthy skin equals better looking tattoos. So only do it once a week. So after the shower, first thing I do, of course, is to dry off my body, but then I'll apply Evolve Tattoo Balm for a second time. I am someone that loves hot showers, and as somebody that has a lot of tattoos, hot showers that could really dry out your skin, and it's not the best for tattoos. So what I do to counteract that is to go and moisturize my skin right after the shower. Even if you're not a freak like me and love those burning hot showers, I still recommend applying the moisturizer right after your shower anyway, because it's just so beneficial to your skin and your tattoos. One thing I do want to note is that when you're applying anything to your skin, just remember that it's supposed to be a thin layer of any product, because if you add too much and really cake it onto your skin could then break out, you could develop pimples, and who wants a pimple? You know, nobody wants that. I've found applying a daily tattoo moisturizer like Evolve Tattoo Balm, for example, once in the morning and then once right after your shower makes such a huge difference on the way my tattoos look. Now, for a secret hack, if you will, if you're somebody that doesn't have a tattoo moisturizer, what you could then go do to make your tattoos really pop is apply a baby oil. I have used this before and I was actually pretty impressed on how the tattoos looked after applying the baby oil. Now, I have sensitive skin. It made me break out, so I stopped using that altogether and I just use the Evolve Tattoo Balm, but it might work for you, so I just wanted to mention that. Now, this is drastically different from what I used to do with my daily tattoo routine. Before, I was applying way too many products and it was a little annoying and a little bit too much, but now I found out that just doing all these things that I talked about in the video really just makes such a drastic difference to your tattoos, whether they're old or new. Now, I want you to go check out this video here next. I'll see you over there, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.